All right, let's finish up here by just tidying things up and polishing things to make everything look the way we want it to look. Now, the thing that to me doesn't look right is this white space here. So if we look at the site, we can see we've got too much white space between the featured post and the header. The only way that I've been able to get rid of this or to reduce it is to use some CSS again. So let's just head over to the CSS, and we need to use all of these. All right, if we don't use all of these, we end up with too little space on the other pages. So for example, we could end up with too little space between the title here and the header or the navigation bar. So we need to do it like this. Let's go back to home. We'll put all of these three in. And now the space has been reduced and it looks fine here on the home page, but it also looks fine on the other pages. So we still got space above and below the title on the other pages as well. I'll go ahead and hit publish, refresh the site, and now we've got just enough space here, checking on the other pages, and we still have enough space. Now that looks better because it was just a bit unbalanced with the amount of white space that was here. Okay, next, I changed the padding in the sidebars. Let me show you what I mean by that. Main body design, sidebars. Now right here you have a choice of 30 pixels padding like that or 20. Another thing we can do here is we can change the sidebar background colors to match the footer color, so we could have them both the same color. Let's take a look at doing that. Sidebar background color. So let's decide first of all a color for the background of the sidebars. Going to Hex Color Picker. I'll try this one. Just paste it in here. Maybe go a little bit darker. And I can use the exact same color now for the bottom part of the footer. I will take this code here, go to footer, footer background, and just paste it in. And now they're both the same color. Hit publish to save the changes. And at this point we could take another look at the fonts that we are using and just make sure that we're happy with the font that we've got, the main font on the blog. In this case, I am going to change this because even though I do like this font, it's not as easy to read as some fonts. Now what's really popular now and really made a comeback is the serif fonts. So let's go and check that out. Fonts, and let's see what they have here. PT Serif. I think I'm going to leave it like that. It's very, very easy to read, very easy on the eye. And we can also take a look and see whether or not we're happy with the colors of the navigation menu bars. So we've got a top bar here as well. We could look at changing the color of that. Same with the navigation bar. Now usually you can restore the colors to default if you don't like what you've done when you change them. So for example, in header design, header colors, so here are the background colors here. And if you want to try any different colors and then change back to default, just hit default. So anyway, I'm going to leave it as default for now. I may change this at some point, but that's really about it. You can play around with the different options in your customization panel. Use the CSS that I've provided on the downloadable handouts that go with the lessons. If anybody's interested at all in learning CSS for themselves, there are plenty of online resources that you can tap into, lots of free online resources as well. I really only know some basic CSS, and most of it I have to figure it out as I go along. It's actually not that difficult. It looks difficult and complicated when you don't know what you're looking at, but it really isn't that difficult once you start to understand exactly how it works. But anyway, that's only if anybody happens to be interested. All right, so I hope that by this stage that you have at least made a start on your blog, or maybe you are at the stage that I am at now, and you've got your blog looking pretty much the way you want it to, and it's just a case now of adding more content. Either way, I hope that you've learned a lot and it's made the process of setting up your blog easier and hopefully more enjoyable. All right, speak to you soon.